What's going on, vibers? What's going on, vibers, man? It's your boy J.S. Vaughn. And guess what, y'all? We are definitely back with another one, y'all. Back with another one, fam. So let's jump right into it. Y'all already know. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You already know, fam. Let's go, y'all. Let's go.
If you will suck my soul, I will lick your funky emotions.
Okay, we got that boom bap de la soul. Come in here, man. Let's go.
Funky emotions.
This is the styling for a title that sounds silly, but nothing silly but the trifling times of Millie. Millie, a Brooklyn queen, originally from Philly, complete with that accent that made her sound hillbilly. Around this time, the slamming joint was milk is chillin', but even cooler was my social worker Dylan. Yeah, I had a social worker cause I had some trouble.
He said, "Yeah, I had a social worker because I had some trouble." Okay.
Was my social worker Dylan. Yeah, I had a social worker cause I had some trouble. Anyone who ripped for me, I popped it dome like bubbles. He'd bring me to his crib to watch my favorite races. That's how his daughter Millie became one of my favorite faces. She had the curves that make you wanna take chances. I mean, her man, I love to make advances. I guess her father must have got the same feeling. I mean, actually finding his own daughter Millie appealing. At the time, no one knew, but it was a shame that Millie became a victim of the touchy game. Yo, Millie, what's the problem lately? You've been bugging. On your dookie earring, someone must be tugging. You were a dancer who could always be found clubbing. Now you're worried now with the frown you're lugging. Come to think your face would stink when Dill's around you. He's your father, what then happened? Did he ground you? Shouldn't flip on him cause Dill is really cool. Matter of fact, the coolest seller in the school. He hooked up a trick to bring us all the Lacy's. He volunteered to play on Santa Claus and Macy's.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't even want to hear the rest of the track, yo. Oh shit. First of all, I'm sad that I never heard this track before. And second of all, this is ill. You know what I mean? Oh shit, yo. Damn, man. Somebody freaking molesting people up in this motherfucker. Wow.
To bring us all the Lacy's. He volunteered to play on Santa Claus and Macy's. Child, you got the best pops anyone could have.
Oh, man. Pop Dukes. Oh, man. Pop Dukes freaking. Oh, man. I can't even say these words, but Pop Dukes, man. Damn.
Child, you got the best pops anyone could have. Dylan's cool, super hip, you should be glad. Yeah, it seemed that Santa's ways was parallel with Dylan. But when Millie and him got home, he was more of a villain. While she slept and he crept inside her bedroom. And he would toss her.
Oh, man.
Millie tried real hard to let this hell not happen. But when she fussed, he would just commence to slap.
Oh, man.
I guess he was giving Millie Boozy's time to heal. Of course he told her she was sick and we believed him. And after the
yo, man, like I always say, yo, there's a lot of people that are big scumbags in this world and whatnot. You know what I mean? That do things that, oh man, I hate hearing stories like this, bro. Cause I know like this shit right here, whether we know it or not, is happening every freaking second of the day somewhere around the world. There's a pathetic fuck doing some stupid shit like this. You know what I mean? And like, yo, all the females and men that are suffering over that shit, or has suffered, because it's not a female thing alone and whatnot, because there's some crazy people in this world and whatnot. This song right here is gonna resonate with them completely. I even see the vision. I could kind of freaking relate to the vision of the coffee, the plant freaking falling down and whatnot, because like life is over. You know what I mean? Like you can, once some shit happens like that to you as an individual and whatnot, like that shit affects everything followed that follows your life and shit. You know what I mean? Your life is completely fucked after that. You know what I mean? It's just like it's like when somebody say, "Oh my gosh, I've never seen that shit ever in my life." That shit you will ever be cemented in your long term memory. You know what I mean? Let's fucking go, man.
Bruce's time to heal. Of course, he told us she was sick, and we believed him. And at the department store in Santa, we would see him. And as he smiled, his own child was at home plotting. How off the face of this earth he was gonna knock him. When I got home, I found
You said how off the face of this earth she was gonna knock him, bro. Damn.
plotting. How off the face of this earth he was gonna knock him. When I got home, I found she had tried to call me. Mama, she had kicked to her. Hey, how you doing? I tried to call the honey, but her line was busy. I guess I had the Macy's and bug out on Dilly.
I received a call from Mrs. Sick herself. I asked her how was she recovering her health. She said that what she had to ask would make it seem minute. She wanted to talk serious, I said go ahead, shoot. She claimed I hit the combo dead upon the missile. Wanted to know if I could get a loaded pistol. That ain't a problem, but why would Millie need one? She said she wanted a pop dealing a he'd one. Ran some style about him, pushing on a privates. Look, honey, I don't care if you kick 5 feet. There's no way that you could prove to me that deals flip. He might be the butt, but your jeans he wouldn't rip. You're just mad, he's your overseer at school. No need to play him out like he's someone cruel. She kicked that she would go get it from somewhere else. Yeah, whatever you say, go for yourself.
Macy's department store, the scene for Santa's kisses, and all the little brats demanding all their wishes. Time passes by as I wait for my younger brother. He asks his wish, I waste no time to return him back to mother. As I'm jetting, Millie floats in like a zombie. I ask her what's her problem, all she says is where is he? I give her point, she pulls a pistol, people screaming. She shouts the deal, he's off the hell cause he's a demon. None of the kids could understand what was the cause. All they could see was a girl holding a pistol on claws. Dylan pleaded mercy, said he didn't mean to do all the things that hurt my could do nothing but cling to. Millie bucked him, and with the quickness, it was over. It's over. It's over.
Like I said before, man, these type of things happen. These fucking shits happen all the time. You know what I mean? Great storytelling. I ain't gonna hold you, man. The storytelling was on point and whatnot, but like I said, man, I usually put everything together and whatnot. Like I grab everything and I just like play with it, sometimes. And this is like one of the tracks that you could kind of freaking put together before you hear the whole story. You know what I mean? This is the first time hearing it, but like, damn, man, it was like really freaking raw. And the way that they told the story, it went from place to place and reason for reason and whatnot, and leading up and everything, yo. It's like it painted a freaking good ass picture. Anyways, man, I definitely felt the energy coming out this track. I hope you guys did as well. You know what I mean? Shout out to B to for the request and whatnot. And yeah, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, y'all already know what to do, man. Smack the hell out that like button. Show me some love and support in that way. Another way, guys, to show me some love and support is by subscribing to the channel right down there and share it with your friends and family on the same token. That being said, y'all, I'm going to check you guys out next time on the next video. Peace out, one love, and I'm out. Y'all already know, fam. Let's go. You know.